on to the next event. And for Jamaica, that's the 110-meter hurdles, where we have three Jamaicans representing. Hansle Parchment, the Olympic champion, looking to defend his crown, and the great talents of Orlando Bennett and Rasheed Broadbell. Now they had five heats, the first top three automatically qualifying. And let's go through the results there. So for the first one, we have Rasid. He took the first heat from Japan in 13.22. We saw our first Jamaican in the second heat, and that's Orlando Bennett. He got second place there in 13.35, and Lewis took that one in 13.31 in his heat. Now we also have Hansle Parchment, which was a bit worrying at first. He didn't get a great start and he came fifth place, so we had to wait to see if he would get through on time. For his heat, we have Zhu from China winning that heat in 13.40. Um, so you can see the results there. It was a slow heat, I think the slowest of them all at that time. And the heat with the Jamaican was heat fifth with Broadbell, and Grant Holloway was in that. The favorite to win the 110 meters is the Olympic champion Grant Holloway, and he did not disappoint in his heat. I think it's the fastest heat that we saw. He was leading the field, and Grant Holloway took the win for his heat in 13:001. We have Rasheed Broadbell. He got second or third. He got second based on what I'm seeing here in 13.42. So you see the length right there. And then Zoya from France in 13.43. So we're seeing that all Jamaicans, Rashid, Orlando, and Hansel, are through to the semifinals. Um, it was, you know, okay performances from all three Jamaicans. Not the best that we've seen from them. So hopefully in the semis and in the finals where it counts the most, they will perform like no other. So that's it for now, guys. Um, we'll let you know what else is happening. I thought we saw the long jumps as well. Let's confirm if we see all Jamaicans going through in that one as well. We'll drop the notification in the community